Hey everyone, welcome here. So, what's up? How's everything going on? And yeah, as you all know that nowadays it's rainy season and we get holidays due to rain, and our school got up with online classes. I do think so many of you maybe are having online classes now due to rain and all. But the irony thing is that whenever we get holidays due to rain, no, that day it's not raining. That's the irony thing. Yeah, and even we got up with online classes, so I want to share that vlog with you guys today. And yeah, in online classes we have from 9:30 a.m. to 12:40. We have physics, computer science and maths for today. Yeah, these were my attendance for online classes the previous day. You can see me here. Like, yeah, it's been a quite while talking to you guys. Like, yeah, how's everything going on and all? It's like just we entered 11th grade now, and soon we are into August month, and everything is going on so fast. Like, we also have our PT-1 exams. So the thing is, it's so weird that we wrote one exam. Like, first we have our maths exam, and then we got 2 days holidays due to rain, and then we have a chemistry exam. Fortunately, we got 5 days holidays after chemistry exam to prepare for English. And obviously, you know, right, when we get holidays we never prepare. So same thing happened with me, and I made a to-do list for today so that at least I can be a little productive. When we see that we have many tasks to complete, and whenever we see that to-do list, no, we feel like, okay, come on, we have to do. Even if we won't complete all those tasks, at least we'll be able to do few of them. So before starting your day or the night itself, you can make a to-do list for your day, so that really helps. Instead of making a timetable, to-do list is a better option, I guess. What do you prefer and which works out for you? Let me know. And yeah, and sorry, I just forgot to say something. Please do excuse my voice because I got cold and I know it's a bit sore. Please do excuse my voice. Yeah, and then after online classes, I had my lunch and took a nap, and then started with my math notes. So our sir explained the concept and he asked us to do exercise 2.1. So I just forgot my math textbook in my school cupboard. So I just opened the NCERT PDF in my tablet and then started doing my work. So yeah, also do let me know, did you get online classes, and if you are getting online classes, how are you using that time to be productive and all. And we completed our PT-1 exams like today itself. Like, I'll let you know that in future vlogs and all. Yeah, so that's what is going on. And then I started with physics, like motion in a straight line. In our school, motion in a straight line is almost done. But from my side, self-study, I didn't start this chapter actually. That's so sad, yeah, I know. So obviously YT lectures for sure. And I really like Alak Pandey sir's lectures, which were really helpful for me. Even his old lectures were really good. So I wrote notes before itself. So I was just referring my notes and listening to his class. That was really worth it, I can say. Yeah, and you know, reading and studying in monsoons is definitely tough, I feel, because when we have this cool weather, right, we just feel like lying on the bed and having food. We just don't feel like get upping and working and studying or troubling ourselves. We just feel like relaxing. But yeah, we have to, because we have our exams, we have our motivation, we have our goals, right? So we need to work hard. And many of you keep saying me that how do I stay motivated all the time? No, the true thing is I never be motivated. The only thing you can do is you just start doing, you just start studying. Because if you feel that if I'm motivated then only I'll be studying, then you can't. And thank you so much for all the sweet, very supportive comments and all. Your comments will definitely make my day. Thank you so much for all the love shown. And yeah, many of you were asking that how do I keep on staying motivated and start studying. No, the real fact is that you just need to start studying, and that itself give you motivation. Even there were many days for me, I don't know, but especially when we completed our 10th boards and we took a long break. For me it was a long break. I didn't even study for a month, I guess. Not month, like at least for 25 days I didn't even study, and I just lost the habit, like sitting for long hours and studying. And again, getting back to the routine is hard. Yeah, that too in this monsoon season, it's definitely hard. Yeah, and in grade 11 we need to keep more extra efforts from our side, and it is definitely tough. And when we keep on waiting for the motivation, that doesn't work out. You just need to start studying. So that's what tip I can give you from my side. The best thing is, whenever I lack motivation, I just start keeping a study timer, and then give myself a task to complete, so it'll be challenging for me to do that. Challenge yourself to do the task, and later you can reward yourself with something. Give yourself a chocolate, give yourself some rest, like that. You can reward yourself with something, challenge yourself, because when we challenge ourselves, no, our ego will be connected to the challenge, and we don't feel like giving up on that, even if it's hard. So just keep a study timer, and you just be like, until this timer finish, I'm not going to get up from here and I'm going to study. Yeah, the biggest distraction is mobile, obviously, these days. So try staying away from your distractions. Me sharing my study strategies, or the tips which I use, or like that, those may be helpful for you guys. So I'll be telling all those in between. And your comments, how do you study, and when you tell me all those, that gives me motivation. So it's like interaction between our our community. Yeah, so we should be keep on motivating each other, because we all are fellow classmates, and next year we need to give our entrance exams or boards together. We are competitor to each other, but also we are like friends who gonna support each other and then motivate each other and start studying, right? So then I was done with all my study sessions finally at night, and then I had my dinner. It was a special dinner, obviously. Like after many days I had some junk. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you all liked it, and if you all liked it, you can subscribe our channel for more interesting updates, and see you in my next video. And you can also let me know what should our next videos be related to, and what you can give me your suggestion. And thanks for watching. All the best for everyone out there. Bye bye.